Hey guys, this video is the introductory part of my Rubik's Cube tutorial for beginners, considered as one of society's most challenging puzzle. I will teach you and join you in this journey so that you can show off this amazing skill of solving the Rubik's Cube to your family and friends. Your cube will go from this unsolved Rubik's Cube to this solved cube. My tutorial will be in 3 separate parts excluding this introductory video. The first part will involve the white cross or top face cross. Cross, and then insert the corners, which I have already done. Second part will involve the second layer or the middle layer. Done. Now we will do the bottom cross, which has been already done, and then place the correct edge piece with it. Done. The third and final part will be placing the corners in the correct spot. Done. The last and final part will be flipping them the correct way. There you go. And that's it. All you need to do is to follow my tutorial and you will be able to solve this puzzle. Also, throughout the length of my tutorial, I will be showing you the required algorithms to solve the cube. First, you'll need to know my simple cube notations. First, this is the upside. And upright means up goes towards the right side, so this way. So upright, and likewise with the left side towards the left, up left. Now this is the downside, and the same towards the right is down right, towards the left, down left. Now this is the right side, this goes right up and right down. Same with the left, left up and left down. And this is the front side, front right going towards the right, and front left going towards the left. And back right goes this, and back left goes like that. You may not need that. You may not need the back cube notation, but I just want to teach you. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you, or you see me, in part 1 of my tutorial, where I will teach you to solve the first face. Take care.